Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can see my screen and also hear my voice clearly. Today is 8th of June. So I want us to start analysis the chart on screen. This is USD, Euro USD. So on this chart yesterday, we were actually looking for a sell. We had our level there. We had a very good level at this point. Yeah. Then we had this as a resistance. We had a resistance. We had a resistance. We had a resistance here. There was this breakout. The price consolidated above this level before it broke below it. So as we are speaking now, the price is slightly above the same place. So as it is now, if the current day's candle, that is if the price closes above 1.21943, then that will mean we are now continuing to the upper side, at least up to this point, 1.23274. So if you're on this chart now, keep looking for buy positions, keep looking for buy orders, expect price to continue to the upper side, at least up to around 1.23274. And in case the price should break any higher above this level, then our next target is actually around this point. So the idea will be to keep looking for buy orders, keep looking for more buy positions, expecting price to extend upwards after breaking beyond this point. Our ultimate target is set at 1.24584. So the other symbol which I want us to look at is GBP USD. So on this chart, basically we are seeing chances that the price may continue to the upper side. The fact that the price is now above this point, as long as the price is above this level, this is an indication that we are somehow in an uptrend. We expect price to extend itself to the upper side, at least up to this point here. So if you're on this chart now, this is a good place to keep looking for more buy orders. Expect price to continue to the upper side, at least up to this level here. So while we continue to see sustenance above this point, keep looking for buy positions, expecting price to go up to around 1.46569. The other symbol which I want us to look at is USDJPY. So we do have a very good resistance level here. This is just some trend line which we drew previously. So look at how nicely it was. It was a resistance here. It was a resistance here. It was a resistance here. There is a break above this point. As long as the price is held above this trend line, we do expect a continuation to the upper side with our first target here, and the next target is here, and the next target is here. So these are some of the places where we do expect price to go up to. If you're on this chart now, keep looking for more buy orders. Expect price to extend itself upwards. It should go beyond 111.50, retrace back, then continue up, and then retrace back, and then continue up. So these are the places where we actually expect price to give us good places to buy from. So we either wait and buy it here, or you may wait for price to break beyond 111.560 and pick a buy position, or wait for price to break beyond 114.01417, then pick a buy here up to 118.024. So if you're on this chart now, this is the pattern we expect this chart to be taking. we do expect consecutive buy positions, at least up to this resistance level, the one we have at the very top. The next symbol which I'd like us to look at, I want us to look at SP500. So this is bullish. We are in an active uptrend. The price is currently continuing to the upper side. This means if you're on this chart now, you should keep looking for buy positions. The fact that the previous week's candle was a bullish pin bar here is a good sign that somehow the price may continue to the upside. So on this chart, look for buy orders, wait for price to pull back at least up to around the previous day's opening price before you pick a buy position. The next symbol is Brent oil. So Brent oil so far, we do have a level here. This is a very good resistance level. This one. We expect price to break above it clearly, retrace back, then continue up at least up to this point. So if you're on this chart now, you are supposed to be looking for buy orders, especially if the price can break beyond this point. Expect that buy to push us at least up to 83.910. Our last symbol for the day is gold. Gold has taken an upward wave. We do have this here. This is looks like some level, but not a very good one though. So we had a support, there's a break below, there's a break above, there's a break below, there's a resistance, and then there is this break above. So while the price is held above 1851.64, expect a continuation to the upper side, at least up to 1953.94, and the next target is this. So we'll buy it here, our first target, and then the next target is the line we have at the very top. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. I will meet again tomorrow at the same time. So thank you. See you.